Does it really matter if it is fake or real? How will I find out which frame shape suits me best? How will I differentiate between a fake and a real one? Do more expensive sunglasses offers more sun protection?
I am Dr. G Mall, Mrs. India World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to press that notification bell.
Choosing the right pair of sunglasses for you is not a rocket science anymore. You have to consider a few elements before you buy that expensive designer labels for you. The first thing that you should consider is whether it should be polarized or coated to combat reflections, water, oil. And the second thing is to pick out a pair of glasses that would complement your face. And the best way to do that is to wear a frame which is in contrast to your face. The idea is to accentuate your facial features. Simplify things, we can classify the face shapes into 6. Oval. Nothing goes wrong on an oval face. Most of the frame shapes would look great on you, but make sure the frames are not wider than your face. Square. Round is the key to success. Angles will not do you any favor. Triangular. Square shapes complements a narrow chin. Adding angles adds a layer of visual interest. Reach out for something which is angular or square. Round. Don't go for anything in circles. Aim high with the aviator or stick on to square or angular ones. Diamond shape. Most of the frames will look good on you, but make sure the frames are not wider than your cheekbones, because the wider part will appear even more wider and your forehead and chin will appear smaller than what they are. Oblong. Like your square frames, go for something which is circular. Do more expensive sunglasses offers more sun protection? Not necessarily. You have plenty of sunglasses, maybe that is from a designer label or from a drugstore, can offer you 100% UV protection. So when you are about to buy a new pair of sunglasses, only thing that you should consider is to check the UV labels. The UV labels will come with the sunglasses, and if it is not there, you can seek the help from an optical store or even from an eye care professional who can test the UV protection percentage for you. Many less expensive sunglasses can shield your eyes and safeguard your vision. So if that is genuinely your only concern, then that high price tags are not necessary. Does it really matter if it is fake or real? Yes, it matters a lot, because the cheaper products are manufactured in companies which doesn't follow any safety standards. And the second and the most important thing is your pupils dilate under dark shades, and if you don't have any UV protection, you are in trouble. How will I differentiate between a fake and a real one? The box. Quality brands will have the brand logos or company name on the boxes, and you can also check for the serial code and the barcode. Now I'll tell a bit about my favorite brand, Louis Vuitton. Let's see how the box looks like. You have the brand name, the company name on the box. Now you have this card, and this card explains a little bit about the company details, and you have the case. So I guess it is a magnetic already I have unboxed it, so I'm just opening it for you. It's almost a magnetic one. As I told you, the serial number is here, and you have the company name written on the frame. My favorite Louis Vuitton glass case. You can always check the manufacturer's website before you invest in a great pair of sunglasses. Branding. Quality brands have their company logo or brand initials etched onto the frame. You can scratch with your fingernails lightly. If it comes off, it's not real. Beware of brand stickers, tags, or even logos drawn on with a brush. If you have already purchased a branded one, you should know what to look for. For instance, Oakley have their brand logo O being embedded onto the frame. Most widely used sunglasses, the Ray-Ban, have RB being etched onto one lens and Ray-Ban written in white on the other.
I guess you would have liked this video. Please leave your comments and suggestions. So, until we meet up in the next video, stay fit and beautiful.